this is it, guys.
After a winter storm brought several inches of snow to Connecticut Sunday night, it caused slippery roads and some school delays Monday. According to the National Weather Service, a second weather system is expected to bring snow to the area Wednesday night, followed by a wintry mix and rain on Thursday. It is reported that a frontal system will approach on Wednesday evening and impact the area until Thursday evening. The next period of severe weather is expected after a cold Wednesday with highs mostly below 30 degrees Fahrenheit. Several videos circulating on social media can be seen showing moments of extreme weather hitting a number of areas in Connecticut in the last few days.
Nothing big.
So this is it, guys.
It's crazy.
A frontal system will bring snow Wednesday night, which will change to a wintry mix Thursday morning, and rain Thursday. Monday morning lows were in the upper 20s to near freezing under misty, overcast skies after the rain ended. The National Weather Service said winds with gusts of up to 20 miles per hour along the coast were expected in the afternoon and evening.
By morning. Good night, everybody.
Inches deep now. There's the trench of me walking around the yard. Oh my God.
Just gotta enjoy it while it lasts. Because before you know it, the 8 weeks of summer is gonna be in town.